Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to make game pass on roblox. First of all guys, you have to open browser on your device and just go to roblox.com. It will take you to the home page of roblox. Now you have to tap on create tab over here. So after update, you don't need to enable the desktop mode to create uh, game pass. So you just need to tap on this menu button again here and just tap on creations, and here guys you have to tap on the experience you have and just tap on menu button again and scroll down, and under the monetization you will see the passes option. Tap on it and here you can create your own game pass. Tap on create a pass button, enter the name of the game pass, description, and just tap on this create a pass button. But before that, if you want to change the image of the default image of the game pass, you can change it by tapping on this change button and upload your image. Format should be in these three. So now you just need to tap on this create a pass button to create your own game pass. Once you created your game pass, tap on the new game pass that you have created, tap on menu button again and tap on sales, and now enable the item for sale, enter the price here and tap on save changes. So you can create your own game pass and configure it for the please donate. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.